inside your heart. Is there anything with my breath? Do you get down on one knee? Because you really want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair out, where's me out of fear? You find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. Cause what's the point of crying? It was never even now. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy.
He say that I'm good enough, love him, I think about shit that I shouldn't have. So I tell him it's one of me, he making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me, like that boy is a cop. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, but he blowing her back. Think about me, cause he know that it's fat. Ain't it been what it been? Calling his phone like you'll send me a pin. Look at my shit, cause he know what I'm on. But when he hit me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you, and I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at
The next day.
What's up? So my friend Stella White went to my 12 markets today and she helped me buy a lot of things, right? Oh yeah, you should hurry. The guys, yeah, you should go downstairs, go and pick it up. You should go downstairs. Ooh, sun is much. Oh, her driver is here to drop off the things. Bros, my people, they come, eh? Her driver is here to drop off the things. I bought tomato, tatashe, just Irish potato, sweet potato. I'm stocking up. It's a bit dark. I'm stocking up. You guys, I'm stocking up. I've sent my children. They are downstairs with basin. Let them go and pack those things and come up so we can now sort them out. Be able to start the process to start freezing them. Are you put down packing? It's my leave, not my. Yeah, oh, quite much. I think this is a bowl of okra. This is a bowl of okra. And I think she said she got this quantity for about 2,500. 2,500. The market is cheaper in all you do. My 12 market is cheaper. I know I say I'm not going again, but that market is cheaper. If you can go, please go. As I just saw my friend going, I say, I beg, help me, because oh yeah, let's sort out everything. This one is half basket of tatashe, and it was going for I think 17,000, maybe 15,000 thereabouts. Then this one is shombo, half a basket or so. Half basin of shombo. This one was going for about 17,000 too. Hey, this is carrot 1.5.
For this one?
Carrot 1.5.
When that is here.
Irish potato. I think she says 6,000 or so. And then some sweet potatoes too. This one is 1 kg of bell pepper. Say she bought it 8,000. They are big, oh wow. This one no go enter like freezer yet.
One like this for New Road. 2.5 last price.
That's
I'm not gonna buy, you pack and go.
They go your way. It's called purple cabbage.
Wow.
One of the best cabbage. This one is the purple cabbage. They call it the purple cabbage. And the two like this was 3,000. And then this one, she bought it per kg. A kg like this was 8,000. So this is Irish potato. I think she said custard was about 3,000 or so. They are big, oh. They are really big. This one na ginger. Let me put it in something. This is the new gold in Nigeria. Ginger. The new gold. Moi moi leaf. This moi moi leaf. Share with everything that is here. This moi moi leaf was going for 1,000 naira. This is the tomato. Let me share it inside here so you can see.
So red.
This one is what they call tomato juice. Tomato juice. You guys, so everything here is 75,000 naira. That's how much I bought everything here today. Visit my 12 markets. Yeah, and I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. The vlog actually continues. You will see us when we start packing our bags and everything. So I'll see you guys in the next video.